Today, I'm going to talk about some of the additions to my Etsy store for this holiday season, as well as a Cyber Monday deal, and a really nice piece of mail that I received in my P.O. box. Let's get started. I've added a new candle for this holiday season, so we have a Choclatey Peppermint Mocha. So this is a rich chocolatey smell with peppermint twists and a slight subtle mocha smell to it. It has a piped whipped cream on the top, and then it's adorned with some crushed peppermint pieces. This is a double wick candle, and it comes in this really cute glass mug, perfect for the winter season. And this will come wrapped in a cellophane with a ribbon and then a little tag. And this will retail for $25. It is a 100% soy candle, and this is a 14-ounce candle. The next item I've added to my Etsy store is my Harry Potter acceptance letter ornament. Now, this is completely customizable. It has a really great little Hogwarts seal on there. And the very cool thing about mine is that it is closed with a magnetic closure so that you can actually remove your little mini acceptance letter pieces in here. So in here, we have the letter from McGonagall that talks about being accepted into Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And then the second page is the supplies that you need to get from Diagon Alley. And like I said, I can make this specific to anyone. I'm also selling the Harry Potter ones, so if you'd like it to be Harry's acceptance letter, I can definitely do that for you. But if you want it to be your favorite witch or wizard that gets the acceptance letter, I can make it whatever you want it to say. So if you want it to be someone specific, we can definitely do that. I can put whatever address you want on there. We can put wherever their bedroom is, anything like that. And the cool thing is you can close this with the magnet, and then you can hang it on your tree, and the little letter can actually be removed. So if you'd like the Harry Potter version of the acceptance letter, that will sell for $10. And if you would like the personalized Harry Potter ornament, that will be for $15. Beautiful thing is there's really not much shipping on this. Basically, I'm able to send it in an envelope, so I'm only charging you for a stamp. Another ornament that I am selling this holiday season are these chocolate frog bulbs. So this is a 2-inch purple glass bulb with the really pretty matte pearlized finish, and then it includes the gold-leafed chocolate frog on the top. I will also have an option for you to be able to get a gold bulb with the purple frog if that is something that you would like to do. And these retail for $8. The next item we're going to talk about is the Wizard's Craftbook gift box. So this is going to be my Cyber Monday deal, and I am only going to be making a limited number of these boxes. So only 6 are going to go live on Cyber Monday, and if they sell through really quickly, I may release a few more, but probably only a max of 10 total of these particular boxes. So in this box, you will get the Wizard's Craftbook, and it will be signed. You will receive the Wizard's Craftbook book pack that I sell. So that has all of the labels, stencils, tags, the fairy wings, the black flame candle design, and then it has transfer sheets for the vinyl. Then there's one of my baby butterbeer candles, as well as one of our chocolate frog glass ornaments with the gold-leafed frog on there. And then I've also added a Wizard's Cracker. So in the Wizard's Cracker, there's going to be some fun little surprises in there. It'll have the traditional items like a tissue paper crown and a joke, and then it'll have a few other fun things in there. Then I will have the outside of the box adorned with some owl post stickers and things like that to just make this a little bit more magical. And if this is going to be a gift for someone, I will have an option in there where I will actually put a little card with your message on the inside of the box so that you'd be able to just ship this right to whoever you want to give it to for a Christmas gift. If you were to purchase all of these items individually, they would retail for well over $60, and I'm going to be selling this for $55 plus shipping and handling. And like I said, I will make this as magical as possible with all kinds of different adornments on the outside of the box, as well as a gift tag on the inside. And if you'd like the book personalized to a specific person, I can do that as well. Otherwise, I'll just write "Keep Making Magic" and my signature on the inside. This would be a really great gift for a witch or wizard of any age, and it's got something in there for everyone. And because it has the book pack and all of that in there, it gives it a little bit of a head start to be able to do some of the crafts inside the book. Especially with some of these areas going back into quarantine with the coronavirus, this might be a really nice thing you could send to someone that would maybe pass some time. And if there's any other items that I sell on my Etsy store that you would like to add to this, I could potentially make it a larger box for you and we can add those items on. So if that's something you'd be interested in, you can message me and we can work out how we can make a gift box customized for however you'd like. So if you wanted to add one of our personalized acceptance letter ornaments to it, we could definitely do that. We could add a full-size butterbeer candle if that's something you wanted to upgrade to. So message me on my Etsy store and we can definitely see what we can do to make this the perfect gift for the witch or wizard in your life. And before I wrap this video up, I wanted to just say a thank you to one of my lovely subscribers that sent me this really awesome package. It's one of my first Christmas gifts of the season, so thank you. I had a really rough day at my Muggle job, and I was at the post office shipping out some Etsy orders, went to my P.O. box and found this in there, and it totally made my day. So thank you very much. And I just wanted to share with you guys what she sent me because I thought it was super sweet. So she sent me a card that I will not read on camera, but I just wanted to say thank you. That was very sweet. And in here, and I did open it because I couldn't wait. I wanted to see what was in here. She was so sweet to send me this really cute Cauldron style Ravenclaw mug. So thank you. Super cute. Love it. I love that the inside is blue. This will definitely be nice with some hot cocoa or coffee. So thank you very much for that. And if any of you want to send me anything, feel free. This is my P.O. box here, and it is also in the description of all of my videos. But just wanted to say a big thank you to her, and I hope you have a really wonderful Christmas. And I hope that all of these items that I've added to my Etsy store might be a way for you to be able to send something special and magical to someone in your life, especially in this crazy holiday season where some of us won't be able to see some of our family members. And like I said, all of the links to my Etsy store will be down below in the description. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you can also get a link to my Etsy store from there as well. And that's going to be it. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.